Imagine a future where space is no longer just for astronauts, but for everyone, a future where humans live on Mars. Space tourism is as common as air travel, and lunar bases serve as stepping stones to the stars. This vision is no longer just science fiction. It's the mission of two of the most ambitious private space companies in the world, SpaceX and Blue Origin. But with both racing to dominate the future of space exploration, the question is, who will win the space race? Welcome to Atomic Domain, where we break down the biggest scientific and technological advancements shaping our world and beyond. If you love space, science, and the future, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey through the cosmos. The vision, Elon Musk versus Jeff Bezos. At the heart of this battle, in two of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. Both are billionaires, both have revolutionized industries, and both have their eyes set on the stars. But their visions for space exploration couldn't be more different. Elon Musk's SpaceX is driven by one ultimate goal: making humanity a multi-planetary species. His vision is bold: colonizing Mars, reducing space travel costs through full reusability, and ensuring the survival of our species by becoming an interplanetary civilization. SpaceX focuses on rapid development, innovation, and aggressive testing, often pushing the boundaries of what's possible. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is centered around a long-term vision called the Road to Space, an idea where millions of people live and work in space, utilizing the vast resources of the solar system. Bezos envisions space colonies rather than planetary settlements, aiming to move heavy industry off Earth and preserve our planet. Unlike SpaceX, Blue Origin follows a slower, more methodical approach, emphasizing safety and long-term sustainability. The rockets, Falcon versus New Glenn. When it comes to technology, SpaceX has a clear lead in launch vehicle development. The Falcon 9 has become the world's most reliable and cost-effective rocket, with over 300 launches and a proven track record of reusability. SpaceX's Starship, currently in development, aims to be the first fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans to Mars and beyond. Blue Origin, however, has taken a different path. While its New Shepard suborbital rocket has made successful space tourism flights, its New Glenn rocket designed for orbital missions has yet to launch. New Glenn, if successful, will feature a reusable first stage, much like Falcon 9, but Blue Origin is years behind in execution. Bezos' company is also working on the Blue Moon lander, which aims to support NASA's Artemis program by delivering cargo and astronauts to the Moon. The Moon and Mars, who gets there first? NASA's Artemis program has become a critical battleground for both companies. In 2021, SpaceX won a $2.9 billion contract to develop a version of Starship to land astronauts on the Moon. This was a huge blow to Blue Origin, which had partnered with Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman to create a lunar lander, but lost the bid. Bezos even filed lawsuits against NASA over the decision, delaying Artemis progress. When it comes to Mars, there's no competition. SpaceX is the only private company actively building a rocket designed for interplanetary travel. Musk's goal is to send the first humans to Mars by the late 2020s or early 2030s, using Starship. Blue Origin, by contrast, has no public roadmap for Mars exploration, space tourism, and commercialization. While SpaceX dominates in launch capability, Blue Origin has focused heavily on space tourism. With its fully autonomous New Shepard rocket, Blue Origin has already sent private citizens including Jeff Bezos on short suborbital trips. However, these flights only reach the edge of space, while SpaceX's Inspiration 4 and Polaris missions have taken private astronauts into orbital space for multi-day missions. In terms of commercial space stations, SpaceX is partnering with NASA and private companies to develop a Starship-based space station, while Blue Origin is leading the development of Orbital Reef, a planned commercial space station set to replace the ISS in the coming decades. The final verdict? Who will win? So, who will win the modern space race? If the goal is rapid innovation and deep space colonization, SpaceX is far ahead. It has the launch infrastructure, the contracts, and the momentum to send humans to Mars and build a future beyond Earth. If the goal is long-term space industry and infrastructure, Blue Origin has potential, but it needs to prove itself. With New Glenn still grounded and delays in major projects, Bezos' company must accelerate its efforts to compete with SpaceX. Ultimately, both companies play a crucial role in shaping humanity's future in space. SpaceX pushes the boundaries of what's possible, while Blue Origin builds the foundation for sustainable space development. The real winner, humanity itself. What do you think? Will SpaceX make humans a multi-planetary species first? Or will Blue Origin's long-term vision take over in the future? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing content only on Atomic Domain.